Okay, welcome back to the second day of Phoenix. We can see it's after 11 o'clock and therefore the turns are available to look at. You can see the turns here. The Ajax ship that we set up yesterday, its turn has been processed, and you can see all the options you took inside the mission and the automatically generated orders that were done by the mission. Normally you enter these orders yourself, but this time we put them in there for you. If I click the side here, it takes us back out of that, and you can open up the mission notifications, which shows the startup mission that we're on and the courier mission that's become available. We can see on the side here that these missions are actually displayed, so you can actually see what you've got, and you can see the current state of the game is listed here. The Phoenix messages here actually give you another way into the turns, so if I click into that, you can see you've got the turn and both missions. So if we look in the turn, it takes us to the turn menu, and this turn menu again has the same return turn, which you can also find in the find. So if we go back to home, we can see that we want to perhaps finish the startup mission. So if we press into that, it takes us into the orders missions view, and we can see right at the end here you can complete this mission. So I'll just press complete, that's fine. Then we can go in the find missions and find out the courier mission, which is given us to us because we took a scout ship, and if I accept that and press the Ajax because that's the only ship we've got, you can see that it actually opens a new mission line. Now I'm not going to go into detail about that because that sort of spoils the reasons for the mission, but as you can see you've created the mission and you can take it as far as you like. Now things that we can do, which we can do through the main page, is if we look back at the notifications and look at the Ajax, you'll notice it's got add turn. So if we add a turn for the Ajax, we can then go into orders where we actually make the actual turns and have a look at how you actually add orders individually to the ship. You can see by adding the turn in notifications, it allowed us to click straight in. However, at the bottom of the page on turns, you can see here that you can add the turn directly. So if we just go back to orders, this is the orders for the ship, and there's any number of basic orders down the side. However, here you can actually alter what sort of orders you can look at, and you could even look at the full orders. And these are all the orders in a game which are available to a ship. Yesterday we used the change ship name, so change name, and also we had the hire officer, which is we don't need to do that again obviously, but as you go through the missions you can actually see what sort of things we can do. So that's all for today.